Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, can trading in stock be made a full-time occupation? Answer by Mark Montoya. We've been in one of the biggest bull markets in the history of the market. It's going on approximately 8 years. It has turned a lot of people into traders that shouldn't be trading. Nearly every person I meet that has started trading stock in the last 5 to 10 years is trading long stock and either trade the FANG or the $10 and under pennies, and most are following advice of others. They have fooled themselves into thinking they are good at it because the market just keeps going up and up, so they wait out the dips, and they've never lost any real money. However, most of them will lose a lot of money when we have a big correction in a real two-sided market. They have pinned themselves into a corner because they are trading for a living. I'm not saying someone can't make a living trading, but they need to be able to make consistent money in any market, not just a bull market. I would not recommend to anyone that they become a full-time trader unless they have a plan for how they will deal with a big drawdown and have already experienced one. Without exception, every very successful trader I have ever met has experienced some dark trading days, and some have blown up multiple accounts on their road to success. They have learned from their mistakes and trade with confidence even when the last 5 trades were losers. I'm not saying you need to blow up an account to be successful, but what you learn about trading and yourself in these situations will make you a better trader. If you are trading a $500,000 account, what are you going to do if you had a $150,000 or $200,000 drawdown? Are you still able to pay your bills without dipping into your working capital? Are you able to deal with it emotionally? You will question your ability to trade, and will your confidence will be shaken. Will you blame the market and not yourself, and will you trade scared? Once you trade scared, your days as a trader are done. Time to get a 9 to 5. If you want to trade for a living, the most important thing you need to learn is how to lose money. Making money is the easy part, but dealing with and managing losses is the hard part. I always tell people it's easy to make profits, it's just very hard to keep them. Once you master the art of managing losses, you are ready to trade for a living. Answer by Vladimir Novakovsky. That's what traders and portfolio managers at equity hedge funds do. It's much better to trade within a professional environment than personally, for a few reasons. You are not risking your own capital. You have access to more capital. Your strategy goes through a more thorough sanity check. The only cases that would make sense to trade with your personal capital is if either A, your personal net worth is more than 10% of what a big hedge fund can allocate to you, or B, you legitimately have a great strategy but are not good at convincing other people of it, both pretty rare. Answer by Kenneth John McPherson. To have a portfolio that generates sufficient to cover your day-to-day living requirements is the key to knowing if this is viable. Only you know what your living costs are to know if it would work. What do you want to earn? $20,000, $50,000 or $100,000, whichever is the case. I would estimate a portfolio size of $200,000, $500,000 or $1 million on the premise a return of 10% is achieved to create the income you desire. Day trading is a very difficult type of trading, even for those who have some experience.